Hi Vogue, it's Aquaria, and this is how I paint my face. Now to start off, I'm gonna block my eyebrows, which is super simple for me because I shave them off. So I'm going to start off with a really fierce primer. Put that wherever you feel particularly heinous today. Now I'm going to go in with my base foundation, contour cream. Now I'm going in to highlight with the same product, but in the shade TV White because I'm on TV. I used to study women's wear at the Fashion Institute of Technology, and they have a fantastic library and always had so many wonderful magazines and tons of references that I would just get stuck reading all day long and not getting any of my work done. I'm just adding a little bit of extra boing to the top of the nose, just so that, you know, it gives a little pooch on the nose. Now for powder, carefully pat this into the skin. And just as it begins to set the makeup, we are going to go in with a big old brush and blend that in. Make sure you blend this powder into all the nooks and crannies of your face so you have a flawless finish. I'm just going to contour with this lovely shade just to intensify. Now I'm going in with this giant vat of super white powder. Now the look we're going for today is kind of Christina Aguilera Lady Marmalade meets just a giant flower patch. So for the eyes and cheeks, I'm just going to start with a peachy salmon eyeshadow. I'm just going to pretty much put that all over my eye like so. Now we're gonna keep building this up and going in with this crazy pink color. But for me, a lot of my influences when it comes to drag come from the New York City club scene with people like Suzanne Barsh, but also with tons of pop stars and pop culture icons like Lady Gaga, Madonna. Wow, I'm a typical gay boy. So we just wanna make sure all of this is super blended, and it is. This is my dirty palette, and I'm going to mix the blue and the pink together. And we are going to go back in with that blue color and just grind it in. I like to pull in the inner corner just a bit. Do like so. Smoke out that edge of the eyeliner. And this does not have to be super perfect either. It just needs to be good. The world is coming to an end. Just add more color. Throw a little bit more of this pink on my cheek, just with whatever was left on the brush. Dust away all of my excess super white powder. Go in with a bit of MAC Fix Plus and just lightly drench my eye, the unicorn color, cute little pink. And just kind of hit that on the, oh yeah, magic already, I can see it. Oh, y'all. Okay, it's over. It's over. The video is over. This looks fabulous. So good. But we gotta move on. There's still plenty more to do. A white cream pencil on a brush and putting that in my waterline. I love to keep in contact with all of the girls from Drag Race because there's only 13 other people in this entire world who experienced the same psychotic vacuum of reality television that I did. So it's nice to be able to relate to other people and their trauma. Face lace. Take this sheer holographic eye shape and place that directly around my eye. Gorgeous. Now to make the other one stick on the other eye exactly symmetrically. Wish me luck. So I just applied a little black lash glue to this eyelash, and I'm going to apply this off camera because y'all ain't even gonna catch me screwing this up. I'm going to go in with a little Vaseline on my lips to prep them for lipstick. Don't wanna be kissing no boys, no girls with a crusty mouth. Now I'm going to go in with the same blush brush that I've been using all over my face and go in with my actual blush, which is from Benefit. I'm just gonna start off with a pretty neutral pink color and throw that just haphazardly on the lips. Before that dries, I'm just going to pat that around. A little bit of the purple, a little bit of the pink, and a little bit of this burgundy color. I'm gonna go in with that color Unicorn and mix it with Regal and just hit that on the lips, focusing it on the Cupid's bow, but oh my god, am I serious? Crazy. Going in with Ethereal, hitting that on the bottom of the lips. MAC Cosmetics gloss in the color Electric Rainbow, and hit that wherever you want to hit it. Now I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills color in Weekend Barbie and put that right on the inside and around the edges. Electro from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So this is the finished look for today, and I will be right back. Hello! Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching me create this gorgeous, stunning, radiant, colorful, iridescent, fantastic flower power extravaganza, eleganza, whatever else anza. My name is Aquaria, and these were my beauty secrets. Happy Pride!